Girl, OD, I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibe.
Hey guys, Pandi here. Pandi's Hair Candy and more. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. If you are already chat family with me, you already know what it gives. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I am super excited to see you. And as you can tell based on the thumbnail, I am here with another quick Temu haul. Yes, another affordable Temu haul. It's been a minute since I ordered anything from Temu, and I was trying to think, well, what do I really need? We just had Thanksgiving, Christmas, we were spending lots of money, life been life, and so I hadn't been doing much shopping with Temu. But a pair of my fashion readers that I ordered from them a couple of months ago, I had one break on the side. And I said, you know what? I really loved those red glasses. So let me go ahead and order some more. Because if you're familiar with Temu, you already know everything is like dirt cheap with them. Like super duper affordable. And over here on this channel, of course, I talk about hair, both my natural hair care journey as well as my love for wigs, but I also do product reviews, product unboxings, hauls, vlogs, trending topics, self-care, motivation, and a little bit of everything in between. Hence the name Pandi's Hair Candy and more. So without further ado, again, welcome. Thank you so much for taking a moment to click on the video. So I said I needed some new glasses, right? And the thing about the fashion readers from Temu, they are readers. For those of you who don't know, readers are simply fashion reading glasses, which means there's not a prescription lens in them, but there is like a slight magnification to the lens, which is all I need. Now, although I am a prescription eyeglass wearer, I like to switch it up depending on my style or how I'm feeling or what I'm wearing. So usually, since I'm working on a computer all day, I like to take some readers with me just to kind of magnify the text that I'm looking at on my computer. So, and the beautiful thing about Temu is they're always under $5. So, you know, you're not breaking the bank. So, I wanted those red glasses. They were super cute. I was always getting compliments when I would wear them to work or whatever. And I just really, I don't know, I felt good in them. Like I could see clearly and they were a nice fashion statement. So I wanted to get some more of those. So of course I went on to Temu. And lo and behold, y'all, I thought I was going over there for just one pair. And I ended up getting 6 pairs of readers. Now, before y'all try to come for me, I'm not a compulsive shopper, but I got 6 pairs of fashion readers, y'all, for under $20. I think my grand total was like $18 and some change, and the shipping was free. So without further ado, if you're interested in seeing these fashion readers, I'll be sure to link Temu information down in the description box below, as I am an affiliate marketer with them. So definitely get over there, take advantage of some of the deals they offer. And without further ado, let's jump right into this quick haul from Temu. Also, please, if you are enjoying the informative, uplifting, and motivational content here on this channel, you can help me out by hitting that like button. Or as I like to say, blow dry on the like button for your girl. It is free 99. It does not cost you anything to do so. And also, sharing is caring. So if you have the ability to share this, please do. Share it on your community tab or other social media platforms. And if you find that at the end of this video you really have enjoyed it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is free 99. It does not cost you anything. All right. So these that I wore to work today are a pair of Temu's fashion readers. They're nothing major. I've been at work all day, so the lenses need to be cleaned. That's about it. I've been touching on them and stuff, and my face has gotten slightly oily from being at work all day and sweating the product out of my hair. But this is not a hair video. We're talking about glasses, so I'm just going to unbox each pair with you guys. Alright? So as you know, Temu typically ships from China, but I believe they have a distribution warehouse in, I want to say Boston. So the stuff arrives fairly quick. I ordered these glasses a couple days before Christmas, and it's December 27th. They arrived today. So it didn't take very long. So I said I really loved those pretty little cat eye frames. They were pretty much very similar to these ones, right? It was like the same style, except they were in red. So this time I decided to switch it up. I didn't order the exact same pair. I got some cat eye, y'all, but these are an exaggerated cat eye, meaning that they're like super big. Okay, they're a little bigger, but just some nice, cute fashion readers. So let's try them. Ooh, I already like the look, y'all. I already like the look. And this lady in my office asked me about those red eyeglasses that I bought a couple of months ago. I sent her the link. She ordered her a pair. So we were both walking around the office with the same red eyeglasses. That wasn't a good look. No, I didn't mind. I felt honored and humbled that she actually liked them that much that she wanted to order her a pair. So these are cute. These were under $5, guys. I was trying to figure out before I went to record this how to bring the picture up on the screen, but Temu got their stuff so tightly encrypted I couldn't drag the picture over. So I'll see if I can find some images on the web. If not, I'll link their description down below. But this is the first pair. Just a real simple, beautiful, exaggerated, large frame red reader with a little design emblem on the sides. Alright? And Temu is very simple, child. They gonna send them to you in a box and be like, here you go. And I love them because they magnify everything, so they make everything bigger. Alright, now the last time I ordered 3 pairs, so I have a few pairs. Yeah, I ordered 3 pairs from them previously, and some shades. So this time I went for the gusto. Now, the next one is this set here. This is how they come in this little plastic bag. I thought these were so cute. On the model, I was like, she has a kind of chunky face like mine. Okay, so, right off the bat, the gold detailing is looking kind of fake. But I mean, obviously I wasn't expecting it to be 24K or anything. But, and again, these are fashion glasses. I just didn't expect it to look so yellow gold, like so obviously not real. But it is what it is. I still think that they're doable, and I like the style. Ooh. I like. Okay. Come on, Temu. Ooh, I could have wore these today with this gray sweater. I like that There's like a slight pink tint on the lens. So yeah. And I'm sitting in front of my computer and everything looks crystal clear. Oh yeah. It's slightly magnetized. All right. So those are pretty. It's got like a hint of pink, but overall they're clear. Now I don't know how I feel about this gold, but I figure that'll be hidden up underneath my hair anywho. So, not bad, not bad. I'm not complaining. Let me get the next pair. Next pair. Child, I just went on a darn frenzy. I don't even remember which all ones I ordered. I just really went there looking for another pair of red readers. Okay, I think these are just plain. Ooh, these are cute. Mmm. Look at that, y'all. Look at that detail. All right, all right. I love the cat eye. I love the cat eye. So these are black with the little gold for the nose bridge. Mmm. Make you look intelligent. Maybe when you're not feeling intelligent. And keep in mind, guys, I'm just coming home from work, so I'm not dolled up or anything. We're simply unboxing and trying these on. All right. All right. So I like them. I like the look. Okay. I can get with this. I can get with this. These are cute. Mmm. Y'all be sure to drop down in these comments below now. Let me know which ones are your faves. And have you tried ordering from Temu yet? And if not, what you waiting on? Okay. So here's the next set. Alright, alright. Now, I saw these and I was like, I'm going to try those. Those are different. So as you can see at the bottom, that little piece of the outer frame is missing. And this is like a super exaggerated cat eye. These are definitely a fashion glasses statement. Okay? Like these are glasses to complete your wardrobe or personality for the day. Ooh, okay, these are different. I like the look. These are definitely different. Definitely conversation pieces. People are going to be like, oh, glasses. That's what I used to hear all day every time I would go on the elevator, anywhere in our office. I was like, oh, thank you, thank you. People really love those red glasses. All right, so these ones are like not wowing me, but I like the chill factor, okay? For whenever I'm just feeling like we gonna chill and lay it back. I can see rocking these, okay. All right, 2 more pairs to try. I don't remember which ones I ordered. It was last week, but very fast shipping time. Okay, these ones are smaller. I like the bigger, like really, really big ones. I don't know why. Okay, let's see what we got here. Ooh, fancy. Okay, so these are a clear with like a little thin gold handle. So not the wide sides like the other pairs. They're kind of clear with a hint of tannish gold, I would say. Alright, alright. A definite statement piece when you really want to be on the lay low, okay? Just down low, chill. I didn't come in here to wow y'all. I'm not making no statements. Out of my way, back it up, back it up. I came here to work. I just work here. Y'all, okay. These ones are cool. They look very professional, very studious. And I'm loving that I can see the text on my computer real big. Yeah, because when you get to be a particular age, honey, you need everything to be magnified for you, baby. All right. And the last pair. These were super cute on the model. Okay, they're coming plain little plastic. All of these were under $5. Like some of them were $2.28. I think I got a couple that were there, but ooh. First of all, I can already tell that I'm gonna love these. I like the cat eye. I love the detail at the top of the frame and the bottom. Ooh, I love the sides. Okay, it's not too thick and it's got the detail and it doesn't look cheesy or cheap. So, oh yeah. Alright, y'all. This is the last pair of fashion readers from Temu. Again, just coming through with some news you can use if you are like me and you refer back to reading glasses for work or just around the house or just whenever you need to look up something, you got to pull out them readers. Instead of running to the CVS to grab you some for $8, $10, $12, go ahead and spend $8, $10, $12 with Temu and get you a few pair with a saucy little fashion statement, okay? I'm just saying. I hope you guys have enjoyed this brief unboxing with Pandi. Once again, I am Pandi of Pandi's Hair, Candy, and More. Again, over here for the most part, it's hair, self-care, skincare, and motivation. However, there is often deal alerts and buzz finds mixed off up in between, and this happens to be one. I think this was a good haul from Temu. 6 pair of fashion reading glasses for under $20. Fast shipping, no additional charge for shipping. Can't go wrong. Drop down in the comments, guys. Let me know your thoughts. Which ones did you like the best? Which ones did you like the least? Have you shopped at Temu before? What are your thoughts? I'm always excited to engage with you in the comment section, so let me know in the comments. Also, share this out. Sharing is caring. If you know somebody who might find this video informative, definitely share it for me. I would greatly appreciate it. Until next time, guys, stay safe, stay encouraged, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.
Girl, OD, I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love, know it's all love. I've been feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the loan. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me.